everybody. I wonder where we are at. Bam, we are at Courthouse Car Wash again. You know what? It's my favorite place, and since I started, having the quiet factor for all my car washes, I'm like, let's just go back. I really love this place, and it brings me great joy, just like a lot of you. And they still have the Airstream dryers. Just gonna say it like that. And we're gonna see if they can drop down. So I just talked to the man, and he's right here, and he's very nice, and I highly recommend him. Not only this place is beautiful, they once again, I'm just gonna say that they scrub. They have a really nice hand prep before you go in. So I heard about the mitter here. This is a Belanger whippersnapper, if I'm not mistaken, and I believe the cloth used to be all blue. So they put in like this new black material to the Belanger mitter and the brushes and all that. So, and since my favorite man's here, you know what's gonna happen at the dryers. Hint, hint, wink, wink. So because I'm gonna be quiet, I'm gonna just start being quiet now, and you know the drill about Courthouse. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody. Hope you all enjoy Courthouse again.